How to buy NOLA token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, this token it's on pre-sale right now. So to be able to buy this token, go and click on their official website from their X account. As you can see, you will be able to redirect to this page. So after that, what you need to do, connect your wallet. First, select your wallet from here, as you can see. So from here, we select the Bitget wallet. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet from here, as you can see, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum or USDT. So make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet, or if you select Ethereum, make sure also that you have the enough Ethereum on your wallet. Now, after you select the token, you can here type how much you want to buy. And here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on buy NOLA. As you can see, you can see this page from, or this pop-up will be appear from your wallet. Now click on approve. Because I don't have any fund, I can't be proceed. So for you, just click on approve to complete the transaction. So after that, you will be able to buy this token. So as you can see, this is how to buy NOLA token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.